CES 2026 is all about smart living, and one booth that really puts everything together is Dreame. From cleaning supplies to home appliances and even personal care products, I think once you hold their products in their hand, you can really tell that they really put a lot of thought into it. So let's go ahead and give a really quick tour and see what they have to offer, and you let me know in the comments below if you like it or not. Let's go ahead and get started. Walking into Dreame booths here at CES, you can feel how big the ecosystem is. And this isn't just one product category, it's a full smart home lineup. And everything feels clean, modern, and clearly built around automation, efficiency, and everyday convenience. And Dreame is spread around 2 locations at CES this year, which already tells you how serious they are about scale and innovation. Now, what really stands out is the range, because Dreame isn't focused on just one type of product. Here you will see a robot vacuums, weight drive vacuums, cordless vacuums, lawn mowers, pool equipment, air purifiers, and personal care devices, and even smart home hardware. And despite how wide the lineup is, the design language and technology just feels consistent across everything. And one of the biggest highlights here is the X60 Max Ultra, which really represents Dreame's top-tier robot vacuum technology.
Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Dreame, and today I will introduce our new products, Dreame X60 Max Ultra, to you. We just launched it yesterday in America. For these products, we improved the cleanliness ability and also the avoidance ability. No matter it's the static or the certain appear like the pads or children or something fall down, it can avoid very smoothly. This is the bottom of the robot, and the 2 mop pad, you can just replace it easily. And we have 2 roller brush, and for this mop pad you can change it easily. You can wash it itself easily, so you don't need to change it frequently. And besides, we offer 1-year accessory for free for the pre-order users.
Now, right alongside is the Aero Pro models, which focuses on deep, practical floor cleaning, and the Aero Pro models are built for wet and dry messes, combining a strong suction with intelligent water control for consistent results across hard floors. What stands out is how balanced it feels, powerful enough for serious cleaning, but refined in how it handles edges, corners, and transitions between surfaces. And it's a great example of how Dreame is focusing on just not raw power, but control, efficiency, and everyday usability. So seeing these products running live really shows how far automation has come. Better navigation, smarter decision making, improved edge handling, and everything feels intentional. These devices just don't clean harder, they just clean smarter. And what I like is that Dreame doesn't stop at floors. They're also showcasing air care, personal care, and outdoor solutions like lawn and pool equipment, reinforcing the idea that this is a connected lifestyle ecosystem and not just individual gadgets. And one of the best parts here is watching people interact with the products. You see genuine reactions, people stopping asking questions, watching demos, and realizing how hands-off all of these systems have become. And it's clear that these products are designed to reduce the effort and not add complexity. And what makes Dreame stand out at CES 2026 is how cohesive everything feels. No matter which product line you're looking at, the focus stays the same: smart automation, premium design, and practical everyday use. And this feels like technology that's meant to quietly improve your daily life. So attending CES 2026, seeing Dreame, I think it was absolutely worth checking out. They have so many products to improve your life, so make sure to visit their booth if you're gonna attend next year and see the full lineup running live and get the feel for how their smart home ecosystem is coming together. So if you want to find out more information about Dreame, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more.